Hi everyone, welcome to RK Digital Schools. Now I am here to discuss ChatGPT. Please subscribe my channel so once I upload the new video on ChatGPT, so you will get the notifications. And the ChatGPT full master course I am launching here. So every week I am going to upload new videos. So now we are going to discuss here like what is the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is like created by OpenAI companies. So this is the artificial intelligence tools. So ChatGPT we can use for the various fields like creating blogging and creating coding and writing user stories and code generations. So if you want to generate the summarize or info any paragraph, so you can use for the prompt engineering and you can summarize your work. If you want to the same data on the tabular format, you can also generate in the tabular format. So mainly you can summarize your work like 4 to 5 hours of work you can do in the 1 hour and 2 hours if you learn prompt engineering proper way. So we will see here. So prompt engineer like if you want to generate the code, you can also generate the code and algorithm and what is the complexity of the code. So all we are going to discuss in the next videos. So next video content like one by one I will discuss how to integrate the Outlook, how to integrate the Teams with the Chat GPT and the Excel, and how to generate the code and run the application, and how to create the serverless API and integrate with the different systems. So we'll see what the Chat GPT here. Chat GPT is like a super smart computer buddy. So mainly it's like collections of data stored in the backend, and then based on the our response request, it will give the response. So response is like that, like in the conversational way, like if you think about like it's a human, one person is talking with you. So it's trained a lots text from the internet, and so it can talk to in natural way like a conversation. Think of it as a magical gene inside your computer. The best part is like it saves you lot of time. It can quickly understand complicated stuff and help you come with the new ideas. Even if you don't much about a topic, it can still assist you. It's like having super smart friend who know everything. Here is the main like part of chat gpt, like you can summarize your information, you can create content, and if you want to learn anything you can also learn, and you can do like complex coding with the help of chat gpt. So guys, please subscribe my channel, and we will see in the next video how to create account on chat